Hi, this is Chris from HITI Software. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to send commands from your Emotiv headset to your Arduino output. We will start with the PWM output on pin 6. So let's click on the link button of pin 6. This opens what we call the linker panel. On the left side of the panel, we have our Emotiv headset. This is where we select the detection and command we would like to use. And on the right side, we have the Arduino output that will be driven by the selected command. So go ahead and select the detection and command you would like to use. I'm going to take metal command and pull. And now we can enable the linking to the output. As you can see, the PWM output value of pin 6 is now driven by the selected command power. Congratulations, you are now able to control the LED on pin 6 with the power of your mind. Next, close the panel. You can see that the link button of pin 6 is red, indicating that linking for this pin is enabled. Now let's try to control the servo on pin 8. Again, select the detection and command you would like to use. I'm going to take metal command and drop and enable the linking. Awesome, you are now able to control the servo with your mind. Next, disable the linking and close the panel. Finally, let's do the same thing with the digital output on pin 13. Once again, select the detection and command you would like to use. I'm going to take facial expression and through browse. And let's enable the linking. As we have a digital output, we can adjust the threshold value here, so that the output is turned on only when the headset command exceeds this threshold value. Alright, this concludes this tutorial about how to send commands from your Emotiv headset to your Arduino output.